Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I did a video about Fox Runners just a second ago, but now I'm playing Bird Runners. It's really fun in my opinion. You could watch J-Man Curly, and in the lobby you can play with a basketball. Damn it, bro. Bruh, my aim. The ball. Damn it, if I would have made that in, I would have... Oh yeah, if you ever play this game, look, as it says there, you have to reach your hand behind your back and grab your menu. Main, I'm going in main because I've done tutorial. Yep, main. Yo, your hands disappear and so do you in main. So, yeah. Oh yeah, but if you hold A and you flap your arms, you can fly. And there's even a Flappy Bird game mode. Even though I don't have hands, I'll show you guys all around it. I love this game. They just need to fix the arms, to be honest. Damn, I died straight away. I am not good at Flappy Birds. Let's go into the beach. And don't ask me why the sand sounds like wood and looks like wood. Beach. But yeah, I love the beach here because you get to play with this. I just hit about. And my most favourite bits about the beach. The slides. Oh yeah, guys, I haven't played this game in so long. And we're going to go down that one because you guys can save the fun for yourself if you do decide to get this game. There also is Flora's Lava, which is ish fun because there's no lava, because this game is really glitchy. This ain't gonna be the last. There's one more room after this, and then that will be the last. But look, there used to be lava here, but no, there's not. It is really hard to beat this. Like, if you can't beat competitive in Gorilla Tag, oh, I don't recommend doing this. Oh my god. Boing. Wait, will I actually complete it? I've never completed this. Oh. Imagine speedrunning this. Yeah, it's really hard to do. I'd be dead by now, probably. I don't know how fast the lava goes because I've never seen it with the lava. Just, you need to know how to wall climb. Problem solved. Boing, boing, boing. I did it. Get victory dance on. You guys can't see my hands, but I was just doing raise the roof, if you know what that emote is. Well, that dance is. So you put your hands in the air and just like push up, like raising the roof. So last one is here. Oh yeah, this, I like this. I like the hammock. You could just chill on it. And the bouncy castle, I don't recommend going in it because it's really hard to get out. Dude, you have to be really good to get out. Look, bro, I've had this game for a long time, and you see how I'm struggling? Help me. No! Like, dude, I'm trying so hard right now. Bruh! Yes! Do you see how long that took? Oh my god. These are cosmetics. All of them are free. And then you can show your pride. Yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for the video. Peace.